forecasted include Raleigh, Rocky Mount, Smithfield, Nashville, Wilson, Garner, Fuquay-Varina, Clayton, Zebulon, and Elm City. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Straight line winds can blow down trees, power lines, and damage mobile homes and other buildings. Seek shelter in a sturdy structure until the storm has passed. Stay away from windows as flying debris generated by damaging winds can be deadly. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:45 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Edgecombe, Franklin, Johnson,